Alright guys, just got to the garage. The first thing you want to do is pop the hood. Once you pop the hood, that will give you like a rough idea, in case you've never done this before, where everything is. So up here we see we have a bolt. I think it's a 10mm socket that I need to use for that. There's one, two, and then there should be another one right underneath the bumper. So and to get the bumper off, you have this guy up here. Actually, no, I'm sorry. Yeah, you have this guy up here that you need to open. And I guess I'll show you guys as I'm going through. You have that guy right there, and then right behind the here you have to take this screw off. Once you take this screw off, there should be another screw in there though, but I'll show you guys the process of that. The best thing that I would advise is to turn the wheels. That way you have more space to work on the bumper itself. So stand by. So it's funny, I thought I had all the tools with me, but I did not. So you also need a Phillip head to take off the bumper. So what I normally did is I just used my Weatherman tool. So that's what we're gonna use for that. So yeah, I thought I brought all the tools with me. So again, it's a night, so I wasn't fully prepared, but I knew something easy anyway. So let's see. If this doesn't work, I may have to go upstairs. Okay, that works. Yeah, because again, this is the old building I used to work at, and I still have full access to the building, but I still have access to the tools upstairs. So but anyway, that's the Phillip head that I got from the bumper. So what I'll do, everything that I'll work on this side, I'll just put it on this side up here. That way I know that's for this side, you know, because technically I want to show you guys one side. The other side is going to be the opposite of that also. I don't think you guys need the explanation for that. So once you do that, what you want to do is you want to take off the I forgot what you call this, the fender liner. You want to take it off gently. You don't want to push it too much, because these fender liners, they have a tendency of breaking a lot. So you also don't want to break it, you know. So you want to move it gently. Something is holding it back here. It's the clip. So there's a clip that's down here though that I need to take off. Fortunately though, the light is not bright. I'm not able to show you guys, but yeah. But technically, once you get here, all you need to do is just pry these out just a little bit. Like you see how I have it all the way down. That way you have free access. All right, guys. So right now, this is the next step. Another thing you want to do is, and I'm so sorry, I didn't bring my flashlight with me, and most of my tools are on the Subaru together with the flashlight. That's why I'm struggling to show you guys. But underneath the bumper where the license plate is, you see the license plate right there, you have two clips. Let me show you. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's too dark. So there's that one guy up there. The only thing you have to do is put like a flathead and ply it down. There's another one right here too. See it right there? And then you have two bottom screws. That's one there for the left side, driver's side, and passenger side right there. So once you do that, the bumper should be a lot more free. Stand by, I'll show you guys. So this is another screw that I just got out. It's from underneath the bumper. This is the one that also holds the fender liner from the inside. So I'll actually have better access now to the fender liner. And then you guys stand by. The same process, I'll do it on the other side. So if you're doing this, I'm sorry I don't have a flashlight. I wanted to show you guys in details, but it's just 2 screws on the bumper side, and then I guess you can call this rivets or like fasteners. These ones you just pop them with a flathead. They're actually plastic. Just make sure that you don't break them. Even if you break them, you can always buy them from a store somewhere, but that's what it is. Yep. So guys, remember how I told you guys that there's 2 screws that you get out from the bumper? So there's one up here, which is a Phillips head, and there's another one right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm sorry again, it's dark, but there's a screw right there. You see it? So that's a 10 millimeter. So what you want to do again is put the fender line on the side and take that one out. So I've already done that for the other side, so I'm gonna just go ahead and take this one out. And early on, I took off the Phillips head. So I'm gonna just take that one out, and then after that, it's just pulling out the bumper. I'll show you guys how that goes. So guys, I actually got all the screws out right now, so it's just a matter of pulling out the bumper. I already put out this one a little bit on the side. Just want to be careful, don't be too harsh on it, but all you have to do is just pull it like that. You see how easy that is? So I want to come on this side too and do the same thing. So just be gentle. Bumper didn't do anything to you, right? So just be gentle with it. So look at that. One more screw I forgot to put to take out. I didn't show you guys, but yes. So that's why you do these things. That way you can show it to whoever that hasn't done it. So let's get this situated. We're all running at the same time. It's something that I haven't done before, but I figured it's easy enough to do it. So let me show you guys the one I forgot to take out. Hopefully you guys can see it. So I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see. So I just need to take that out. Actually, let me. No, it's kind of hard doing it with one hand, but see. So I just need to take that one out. This one right here. Once this one is out, we should be good, and it just pops right out. Bam, right there. So let me put you guys down so you can follow me through. All right, so just gotta remember to put this on the bumper. So yeah, well, look at it. Nice and simple, right? Just gotta wiggle it a bit. There you go. Pretty much just like that, the bumper is out. I'm not gonna take it out all the way out because you gotta remember I also have the lights for the fog lights. I don't want to disconnect them. I don't see the need for that. So the one thing I work on is just these lights. Take them out and I think we should be good. So let me see. So that's the reason why it's not coming out. So let me get the camera and let me show you guys real quick. So as you can see, guys, I took the bumper out. The reason why I don't want to take it all the way out, because we got the fog light wires going to it though. So that's why I don't even want to bother with it for now. But so the screws that I took out earlier is 1, 2, but remember there's always 3 screws that need to be taken out. The third one is right here. And I think I can use a 10 mil for it. I don't think I need to use a Phillips head though. You can use a Phillips head if you want to. As you can see, it has one for the Phillips head. But I think all I need to do is use a 10 mil. So let's see if it works. Yep, 10 mil works just fine. Once we get that out, we should be all good to go as far as taking out the headlight. So I just wish I had someone to film me. This would have been more detailed. So that's the screw that I got out. So I just put it up here. So yeah, guys, as you can see how nasty this headlight is. You see, it's just nasty, ugly looking. just a nasty light, you know. So one thing you want to do is, I took these two screws out, right? So you want to pop that one out that way. Then I'm trying to do with one hand. All you have to do is wiggle it a bit. But you guys get the picture, right? You just have to wiggle with it. So I have to put the phone down. Guys, that's why I always take raw videos. Remember how I told you guys I had to take this screw out? This does not have to come out. So I actually just pressed it back, and I'll show you guys why. When I tried to take off the bumper, I was having issues. Well, not the bumper, I'm sorry, the headlight. I was having issues getting it out, and the reason for that is this screw that I told you guys to take out, that is actually just for the this bracket that holds the bumper. So we do not need to take that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and press it back. I'm gonna just use the 10mm socket. Put it back. The one that does need to get out, again, this headlight is held on by 3 screws. Is this guy right here. You see, it goes to a metal piece right here, but on the other side, it's actually the bracket for the headlight. You see that? So that's the screw that you need to take out. So again, I'm gonna use the same socket. It's always fascinating using one hand. Oh man, maybe one day I'll be big on YouTube and have someone filming me, right? I guess. So right now this is amateur, so, but you get the point. As long as we help each other out, show each other how to take off stuff or repair stuff. And the reason I do this, I mean, it's good to take your car to a shop, you know, they're actually experts, but every now and then, if you want to save a little bit of money, you know, YouTube pretty much has everything, you know, because what happens is shops will charge you so much more money. I don't know how much it would be to replace a headlight, but I'm pretty sure they'll probably charge you for 2 hours. A lot of times, depending on the shop that you're going to, labor rate is about $99 an hour. So you're looking at least $200 just to probably replace the headlights. So when you can just do it by yourself. So since we got it loose, all we have to do is lift it up a bit. Let me see. And then should come out. You see that? Came out. It's coming out. Again, if I was using 2 hands, it would already be out. Oh, again, that's why this video is very raw. Yes, you still got the light bulb, so you just need to unhook those light bulbs out. I forgot them. So again, this is for your headlight, and that's for your turn signal. So you just need to unhook them out, and then you should be good. It's actually 3 of them. So actually, yeah, you got your turn signal right here. That's your turn signal. That's your actually, this for your headlight right here. That's for your headlight, and this for your high beam. So you just need to put them out. You can use maybe a flat head to take them out, or use your nails, whichever way you prefer. And as you can see here, I had already retrofitted these 2 LEDs. So on the new headlights, I have to put these new LED bulbs. I don't want to use the one that the lights came with, or the headlights came with. Guys, the difference between the new headlight and the old headlight is night and day. So the ones I got this time is actually their black top housing. As you can see, it's much cleaner looking. This one just look, ew. Looks just ugly headlight. So as you can see, it got fogged up. I believe this one also had the black housing too, but you really can't see it anymore because that's how messed up the headlight is. See the new one? Yeah, so can't wait to put it on. I'll show you guys the difference. Guys, as you can see, I already put the headlight back in. Gosh, I love this. Look at that. Look at that difference. It's like a brand new car, technically, right? Compared to this. Oh, I can't stand that. Alright guys, I got both headlights on, but before putting the bumper back in, it's always good just to make sure that the lights work. That way you don't do walk in vain. So I'm gonna turn on the car. Well, I don't have to turn it on all the way, but shoot, let me just turn it on. Yeah, you always want to make sure that everything first works. And you see how bright it is already. Looks so good. I love it, man. This is so good. I love it. So I want to make sure my high beams work. Um, so again, you always want to make sure that everything works. So, yep, high beam work. See, the high beams are a little bit yellow. All right, now we want to make sure that instead of the turn signals, you can just put your hazards on. You know, you don't have to always. So you can just put that. That will show you clearly if everything works. So, yep, look at that. Looks perfect. Perfect. There's a job well done. The car looks like it's brand new again. Love it. So I just put the bumper back in and we'll drive it through the dark roads and see how good the lights are now. So it should be a lot better compared to this atrocity. Yeah, this was just insane. So much cleaner. Hey guys, again, I'm extremely impressed by how the headlights look like. If you notice, the headlight looks a lot brighter than the fogs. So yeah, that's how the car looks like now. I'm extremely happy. So driver's side looks a little bit brighter. Maybe I need to readjust the light bulb. Other than that, everything else looks good. I do need to clean the headlights. They're still a little bit foggy from when they were shipped, so I just need to clean that real quick. But then again, compared to what we had before, yeah, night and day difference. All right, hopefully that guys helped you out on how to change headlights on a 2007 Toyota Corolla. That would be from 03 to 2008, should be the same thing. And like I said, one of the updates that I do have now is we have tints. I put 35% tints. I think it looks better with the tint than the fishbowl they had. They're not the darkest tint, but at least makes it look better. I'll do a review on the car probably in the next video, so stay tuned. Guys, I'm so glad on how everything turned out to be. As you can see, it's so bright now. I can see a lot better. So I'm really happy with the results of the lights, the headlights pretty much, plus the LED light bulb. So it's pretty cool.